On to number 3. Which of the following equations have a solution that is negative? So let's solve these. A. 5x minus 11 over 2 equals negative 7 over 2. So let's solve that. We're going to add 11 over 2. Add 11 over 2. Those cancel. And we're left with 5x equals 4 over 2. Yeah, that's right. And then we would need to divide by 5. So we're going to divide by 5 over 1. So x equals, well, when we divide, we actually multiply by the reciprocal. So we get 4/10, which is 2/5. And that is positive, so that one is not an answer. On to B. Negative x over 3 plus 7 over 3 equals 13 over 3. So we will subtract 7 over 3, subtract 7 over 3. These cancel, and we get negative x over 3 equals 13/3 minus 7/3 gives us 6/3. Now to solve, we will multiply here. We have negative x divided by 3, so we need to multiply by negative 3, multiply by negative 3 over 1. So the negatives cancel, 3's cancel, and x equals, we can simplify here. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 3 once, and we get negative 6. So B equals negative 6. So B is negative. B works. B is an answer. Moving on to C. C. So we have 3/4 x minus 9 over 2 equals negative 39 over 8. So we need to add 9 over 2. Add 9 over 2. Oops. So we have 39 over 8 plus 9 over 2. We need to get the same denominators if we're going to add. So we're going to keep 39 over 8, but we need to multiply both of these by 4 to get a denominator of 8. So we're going to add, and this is actually negative, 36 over 8. So negative 39 plus 36 gives us negative 3/8 equals 3/4 x. Now this is 3/4 times x, so we need to divide by 3/4, divide by 3/4. So let's rewrite that. Let's rewrite that over here, and we get negative 3/8 divided by 3/4. We don't divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So this is actually negative 3/8 times 4 over 3. And these will simplify. 3 and 3 is 1. And 4 and 8, divide them both by 4. This becomes 1, this becomes 2. So the answer is negative 1/2. So C is also negative, so C works. Moving on to D. D is 6x minus 5. So let's just come up here. D, 6x minus 5 equals 40. So let's just solve this. Add 5, add 5. Those cancel because they're a zero pair, and we get 6x equals 45. Divide by 6, divide by 6. X equals 45 over 6, which simplifies to 15 over 2, which is 7 1/2, but the important thing is that's positive, so D is not an answer. And the last one, E. We have 3 over 2x minus 19 over 4 equals negative 73 over 4. So you need to add 19 over 4 to both sides. These will cancel. And we get 3 over 2x equals negative 73 plus 20 is negative 54 over 4. And then here we need to divide by 3 over 2. So divide by 3 over 2. Let's rewrite that. Negative 54 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so negative 54 over 4 times 2/3. And we can simplify here. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And this actually can be simplified as well. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 54 divided by 3 is 18. Again, that's not necessarily the important part. We're just seeing if this is negative or positive. So we have a negative, oh, we could simplify again. So we would get negative 18 over 2, which is negative 9. So E is yes.